friends only. Called.
Not all ninja kills have to be flashy. Sometimes you just gotta get the job.
That's like...
The last one was very fucked up. Like, that was your fault. A lot of people have told us in the...
Okay, I'm ready.
Bless you.
I'm good.
So, cheers. Cheers, everyone. Just kill whatever's in your cup.
Let's finish this.
Cheers.
This is good.
This is dog food. I know what dog food.
All right, boys.
I've had dog food.
Hi, thanks for watching our video today. If you want to watch more content like this, check out this video on the sidebar. It's over there somewhere. If you guys want, you could subscribe underneath that. It'll be really helpful. We also have merchandise at this point in time, and you can check that out in the link in the description below. Woof woof, if you know what I'm saying. So please buy that merchandise, or I'm gonna be homeless. Ah. Roar. Woof. Yes.